So today I'd like to talk about the benefits of using LumAware energy-free exit signs for new construction. Some of the challenges when you're having new construction is you not only have to take into account the cost of the exit sign, and there's some very inexpensive exit signs that are out there on the market, and there's some very expensive ones. We've seen them range anywhere from $30 to $40 for the cheapest signs, up to about $700 for some of the nicer edge-lit LED exit signs. But that's not where the cost stops. That's where the cost starts. Because you've got to run conduit, you've got to run wires, you've got to have electrical labor, you have junction boxes, and you also have to hit an emergency circuit. Those costs can range anywhere from a couple $100s to a couple $1,000 depending on how far that exit sign is being installed to that emergency circuit. We've heard some of the larger retail environments that are out there are spending north of $2,000 to $3,000 because they may have an exit sign in the center of a very large warehouse and they have to run all that electricity to that emergency circuit. A good rule of thumb is for every 25 feet your exit sign is away from the emergency circuit, it's about $125. But there's a better way, and that's with LumAware energy-free exit signs. No batteries to test or replace, no light bulbs to test or replace, no electricity required, and as a result of that, you don't have to run the conduit, you don't have to run the wires, you don't have to have electrical labor costs, you don't have to worry about emergency circuit. Significant value engineering savings. So if you've already calculated that in building that building, you're spending hundreds upon hundreds of thousands of dollars for that electrical installation expense, that goes almost away to nothing if you were to use LumAware exit signs. So you get a lot of value engineering savings, a lot of savings on the installation, and then once the building's been built and up and running, you get all those savings because those batteries, light bulbs, and electricity are never needed. With the signs, they're very, very easy to install. You can either just use some double-sided sticky tape on the back or liquid adhesive. You can even drill directly in. And we also have a series of ceiling mounts and also flag mounts that can be mounted and suspended from the ceilings. So the only cost you really had to install the exit sign is just simply affixing it to either the mount or to that wall. It drastically reduces your costs on that new construction components.